So dear students, we will see in this section, that is infix to prefix. In our last section we have seen infix to postfix and we have seen how to convert infix to prefix. So we will scan the string from right to left. So input, then stack, and then output. So now starting from right to left, our first thing that comes in the expression is parenthesis. So parenthesis will be moved to stack, output will be dash. Now next is G. G is what? Operand. So operand is moved to directly output. So G will be moved over here. Next is addition operator. So addition operator will be moved to stack, output will be G. Then next is again the opening parenthesis. So opening parenthesis will be again moved to stack and output will be same as G. Now next is what? Next is E. E is the operand. So what we will do over here, now E and then G. In this way the expression will be there. So next is multiplication. So multiplication is operator. So again it is moved into stack, again output will be EG. Next is the again operand. Operand is what? It will be moved to direct output. So output becomes DEG. Now the next is what? Next is the opening parenthesis. So now as it's the opening parenthesis, what will happen? We will pop this particular operator and it will become as the output, and the output becomes multiplication DEG. Now next is what? Next is the subtraction. Now we know that subtraction and addition both are having the same priority, so it will be moved to stack. Our output will be same DEG. Now what is next after that? Next is the C. C is the operand. So what will happen? It will be moved to the particular output, so it becomes C into DEG, right? Now what is next? Next is the division operator. So as the division operator's priority is higher than this, so we will not swap anything and it will be kept in the stack and our output is same. Now what is next? Next is B. B is the operand. So it will be moved to the output. So BC into DEG. Now what is next? Next is the addition. So now addition is having the less priority than the division. So the division operator will be moved and addition operator will come over here and it becomes division operator BC into DEG. Now next is what? Next is A. A is nothing but the operand. So we will move this to output and it becomes A upon BC multiplication DEG. Now what is next? Next is the opening parenthesis. So now what will happen? All these operators will be popped. So plus minus plus A upon BC into DEG. This is our prefix operation, in which the operators are generally present before the operands. So it becomes plus minus plus A upon BC into DEG. Thank you.